What are some of the trends that you can see emerging in the AI market?
The technology has shifted and taken us to a whole new era. So, as I was saying to lots of the people who came to us to talk to us, we're in the space of generative AI. We're not even talking about machine learning or deep learning. We talk about generative AI. And the trends that we see is how can we use that technology to help customers, no matter in what industry they are, to do things faster and more intelligent. It's a technology that can generate code. So with lots of developers, we say you don't even need to have skills on every language. Now the model can generate code that can help integrating apps faster, etc., etc. But also for companies that deal with contact centers or have lots of documents to process. Again, the technology, what Azure OpenAI can do, it can summarize everything very quickly, and it can give answers back at a natural language. You will not understand if something was produced by a human or by the model.
Scary stuff.
Interesting at the same
100%,
time.
very exciting. One of the biggest challenges that we've seen in the AI space is the AI bias, where AI relies on the data centers that it gets information from. How can companies? What are some of the other challenges, including this, that companies are facing at the moment?
Yeah, the biggest challenge, and I think it's a good challenge, is to educate everyone that. First of all, it's easy to build the skills to make the most out of this technology. When people hear even the term, generative AI, they think that, do I need to be a data scientist? No, the models are pre-trained, pre-configured, so pretty much everyone can make use of this. And the second challenge has to do around the ethics, because if we talk about companies that work within healthcare or within government, they care a lot about the ethics of these models. So there's lots of education to be done on, although these models, they have their own intelligence in some way, they don't produce unethical, not responsible outcome out there. Because, yes, that goes against the principles not only of Microsoft, but of every creator of these technologies.
Yeah. How can companies like Microsoft educate people about the reality about AI technologies and the potential benefits it could have for society?
That's a great question, because as we say, if you want to maximize the technology, the capabilities of the technology is one thing, but then you need to have the right data skills. So as a cloud provider and as a service provider, we have a very big skills platform. It's called Microsoft Learn, which is free of charge, and everyone can go and build for free the skills that they want to build. And as I said, it's free of charge. We have a very ambitious goal to educate hundreds of thousands of people in the UK to build the right skills, because that's the fundamental to make sure that you maximize what you can make out of technology.
For more tech news, visit em360tech.com.